I found a tool that claims it can build you a complete affiliate marketing business in just 60 seconds. Websites, videos, SEO content, and even traffic, all with zero skills or experience. No writing, no ads, no talking, nothing. It's called Affiliate Real AI, and honestly, it sounds too good to be true. So let's put it to the test to see if it actually delivers, or if it's just another AI-powered pipe dream. If you're into tools that save time and grow traffic, hit that subscribe button. I break down AI tools like this every week, so if that's your thing, stick around. A link to Affiliate Rules AI is in the description of this video. And if you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask us. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Guide. And let's move on. So when you get access to Affiliate Real AI, you can see on your main dashboard, you can create a new project, you can view your project, and also you can see the traffic that you've generated. You can see your recent project, but from here, we'll note that we can just go ahead to create a new project. When you're creating a new project, you see that you can search by keyword, or you can search by category, or you can do a custom product search. When you're searching, you can always search different platforms like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or JVZoo. And also you can choose a category. So this will help to filter your results, and you can promote products based on your strength. So let's pick another one and generate site. Let's just pick this first one. And now the site is being generated. But while that is happening, let's take a look at one that has already been generated. We'll come back to it. And here we can edit the project, we can edit the mini site. That's the site that's being made. Then we can edit the video that's already been made. But let's just go to edit project. So when you're editing a project, this is how it will look for every product that you try to promote. So from the product to the identity, and you move forward. So we're creating our project name. So this is the project name, we see the platform, a brief description. All of this information is gotten from the website of this product. So we can see our site title, a tagline if you want to have, and you can see that you can edit all of this. So it makes you stand out from the rest. So you upload your logo, and you can upload logo or content from the graphics of the sales page. So you can see view fetch graphics. So you can see that these are all the graphics that have been gotten from that sales page. Then you say next, you can choose your color, you can add a custom domain if you have one. Then your product information, which is optional. You can upload a file, and you can do all of this to include and to bump up the knowledge base. Move on. And here you choose your content customization options. So this is how your sales page will look. These are the bonuses that you have. If you don't want to add all of these, you can always close it. But you should ensure that these are bonuses that you actually have. So if you want to add a new bonus, you add another bonus. Now this is your affiliate link. This is important that you get this directly from your JV page. You can click on it to get to JVZoo, then use your JV page and add your affiliate link here, so that if people try to purchase, they get to you directly. So you move on. And now you talk about your preferences, who your content is primarily aimed at. That is your target audience, your tone of voice, the focus area that you want your content to focus on. And here is where you build your video if you want to have a video. So you choose your outline for your video, then you can choose if you want AI to make that video for you. Then you generate the script. We've already generated one here. Then you choose all the graphics that you want to include from your sales page. So based on when it is needed, when it is useful, Affiliate Rules AI will pick them up. So we have that. So choose if you want to use AI voices or 11 Lab voice. And if you're using an 11 Lab voice, you need to use your integration APIs. So you go next. And your site is ready to be generated. So you can read all this information to confirm, then you can generate your site. So since we've already generated our site, we don't need to generate this one again. You can just do a quick run for this one. Edit the project. Next, so I'll just accept. Okay, let's make a little change here. So we'll just run through it. Okay, forgot to add graphics. And now the subdomain should be related to what the site title is. And now our knowledge base. This knowledge base is useful if we want to add a lot of information that we already have, or something that all the research that we've already done. So you can see that there's a custom one that's already been added, and this is coming from the link of the website. So these are the templates that we can use for our product pages. So you can choose one of them, choose the bonuses, then our affiliate link, and now our target audience. This is if you want to upload from our own device. But I'm going to select from the sales page once more. So if we are good with that, we move on. Okay, yes, we have to enter the video script or the outline. So let's use Write with AI. So now I'm putting overview. And the script has been generated for us. Now we can review our site settings and we create another one. So while that is processing, a video is being made. So we can just look at the video panel instead of doing it for this other project and waiting. And on the video panel, we can see all the useful tools here, from text to voice to adding your own avatar, your own talking head. If you're good with it, you render. I think we've already rendered this one. Okay, so while that is rendering, you can view your products that you have worked on, all the projects that are available, and you can also see your traffic generation methods, where you can generate traffic with AI-powered Q&A. You can do it with AI-generated Pinterest pin and boards. Let's use AI-powered Q&A. Then select the project you want to use it for. Then you choose if you want to create new content, and create new content in the case of getting traffic. So you follow the steps, you choose the platforms that you want to get it from. And if you have any specific keyword, AI has generated it. So we move on. And while that is being generated, you can take a look at your analytics and you can see the total direct traffic that you have, your referral and organic. So as you can see, Affiliate Real AI does a lot of the grunt work for you, work that you might need to pay hundreds of dollars to people to create your sales pages, to create your affiliate pages. Affiliate Real AI does all of that for you. So if you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask and we'd love to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Digitech Guide, and I'll see you in the next one. Good day.